10th standard is a turning point of your life. Similarly, today we discuss about the English question paper as well as English subject. My name is Dev Patil. I am moderator from 10 towns. My selection in paper select committee in board. Similarly, today I want to discuss about the English subject, how to achieve more and more marks in English subject. If you want to more and more marks in English subject, first important thing, any subject, a question paper pattern is most important. Second important thing, in question paper, any question has a specific characteristic, specific technique. And if you follow this characteristic, this technique, this rule, you will be obtaining more and more. Today, we discuss about the English. First important thing, English total written paper is 80 marks. You have textbook, there are about the 28, 32 lessons. And student learn this lesson, write a workbook, etc., etc., etc. But those not achieve more and more marks because those not follow rules and regulation of the question paper. Each question is a specific characteristic. For example, there 80 marks paper, language study 80 marks, written paper. Language study for 10 marks. This is part of grammar. This is part of grammar. Language study is 10 marks. Similarly, there are totally asked 3 passages. There are 3 passages. All these 3 passages, question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3 and question number 4. Asking for grammar. 4 into 3. Total marks, 12 marks, grammar. Similarly, in poetry section, figure of speech, rhyming word, rhyming scheme. This is part of grammar. Similarly, there are about 4 marks. Totally, there are 26 marks in grammar. Similarly, next important thing, writing skill. Writing skill, there are totally 7 topics and attempt out of 5 topics should be attempted. And there, that is for 25 marks. Similarly, 51 marks. Similarly, next, unseen passage. There are the summarize this topic included in grammar. This is 5 marks. Totally 56 marks out of 80 in writing skill and grammar. It means you should study of the 28 lesson, 38 lesson, but they are asking question only 15 and 16 marks. So how much paper write is not important. How to attempt is important. Similarly, if you want to be success in English, their first important thing, grammar basic is a part of speech, tense, kinds of sentence and type of sentence. This is very important. Basically, part of speech, tense, type of sentence and kinds of sentence. So, there is a more time for the input, but today we complete all this topic within 2 hours. And similarly, we will be discuss about the question wise. What kinds of ask language study, what kinds of passage, what kinds of writing skill and how to solve those questions, how to achieve more and more marks. A student who is very weak, in danger zone, those will be passing if he pay proper attention to it. I have specific technique for any question. And this writing skill and this grammar, you do not complete from the book, reading orally. Similarly, English not oral subject. English as like a maths, technically subject. So today we learn about the question paper. Much importantly, in any subject, keep front of the question paper pattern. Which question, what kinds of ask. This should be thinking again and again. If you want more and more. And so there, two things is most important. key, time and target. इसके लिए टाइम और टारगेट ये दो बातें जरूरी है. And for success in time and target, there is a passion. There are two words. First word is a passion and second is a tension. Avoid tension. Be relaxed. Create confidence. Relax. So, passion is most important. And so today, we learn about the how to solve question paper, but we learn about the language study. सबसे पहले मैं आपको लैंग्वेज स्टडी के बारे में. So there, language study there are grammatical topic. Some topic is major topic and some topic is a minor topic. Some minor topic include in the major topic. For example, language study compound word, types of sentence, word register, word chain, that type of minor topic. Similarly, they make 4 words. There different student does not understood the meaning of the word chain, word register, and make a 4 words. They are asked a question. They write a word register. Word register लिखने को पूछा जाता है. A student write a word chain. Some student write make a 4 words as a same meaning. There is a difference. That is minor topic. It means first word register means a word which is related of that. For example, in prelim exam ask a question, word given the literature. Do you know about literature? What is meaning of literature? लिटरेचर का हिंदी मराठी में मीनिंग होता है साहित्य. साहित्य मीन्स रिटर्न वर्क, एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रोज, पोयम, नॉवेल, ड्रामा, एनी काइंड ऑफ राइटिंग वर्क इंक्लूड इन द लिटरेचर. सो दैट राइट, दैट वर्ड रजिस्टर इज अ नॉवेल, प्रोज, पोएट्री, बट स्टूडेंट राइटर मेक अ बोथ. एंड दिस simple mark those laws. Each student follow each and every rule of the any question, he will obtain above 75 out of 80 marks in board exam. Above 70 marks. When I moderate question paper, मैंने पहले इकोनॉमिक मार्क्स से, इंग्लिश का मॉडरेटर, ट्रायल से, ज्योग्राफी का मॉडरेटर. Here student doing minor mistake. Similarly, second major topic in language study, major topic is a degree, gender-wise, verb and word register. Those questions asked about 2 marks. ये क्वेश्चन जो है, ये क्वेश्चन क्या है, 2 मार्क्स. देखो अब यार, first we discuss about the all grammar and language study. After we will be discuss how to solve passage A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. After we will be discuss how to solve writing skill. उसके बाद में हम डिस्कस करेंगे राइटिंग skill. आपके लिए कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा, खाली कहते हैं में जाना है. So now we learn about the major topic. First major topic. What are major topic? Degree, gender-wise, kinds of sentence, type of sentence, affirmative, negative. Those major topic in English grammar. In these 5 topics, out of 3 topics are studied in the language study, and remaining 3 topics are studied in the passage. It means there your written marks. If we solve that topic clear. Why call we those topics? First important topic there is a tense. Tense is most important. All kinds of tense. And there is a particular technique we will be discuss about you. Also there, these 5 topics is most important. First, now we learn about the degree. We discuss one by one. First, we learn about the degree. Do you know about degree? What is degree? Do you know about degree? Each topic is major. Why say major? Because there are so many rules, more and more pages, but that technique should not follow. वो technique आपको follow करना. I will be discussing only 3 points. If ask any kinds of question, this topic will be solved. There 3 things is most important. 3 rules is most important. First, introduction of degree, definition of degree. What is means of degree? What is means of degree? पहले का part of speech, tense, kinds of sentence. Each topic interrelated to each other. Do you know about degree? This topic you learn from the 4th standard English, higher English medium student. This topic learn from 4th standard. ये टॉपिक बच्चे लोग 4th स्टैंडर्ड से पढ़ते हैं. डिग्री 5th स्टैंडर्ड 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not only important in 11, 12. Graduation. Any kinds of competitive exam. When you go for any interview there, that is a grammar is most important, writing skill is most important. How to speak is not important. आप इतना इंग्लिश फटफट बोल रहे हो वो जरूरी नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चंस उसका सॉल्व करना जरूरी है. What is degree? Degree is the comparison of adjective. Degree is the comparison of adjective. Comparison of adjective. The definition given in grammar book in 5 और 6 sentences. ये जो डेफिनेशन है ग्रामर बुक से देखो आप 5 और 6 सेंटेंस में दिए. मैंने कितने वर्ड में कंप्लीट किया? इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ जो 15-20 आपको रूल दिए वो मैं खाली 3 रूल्स में आपको. It is useful for your future career. Any kinds of exam, any standard, master degree. So there comparison of adjective. Do you know about adjective?
Yes.
What is adjective?
Quality of noun. Quality of noun.
Adjective. A word we add something about the noun and pronoun. What is noun and pronoun? Noun and pronoun is a subject and object in the sentence. Then there are 2 types of structural and functional. Sentence 2 है. पहला है structure और दूसरा है function. Both knowledge is most important. That time you can solve your any problem. तभी आप आपका हर प्रॉब्लम क्या कर सकते हैं? सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Structural and functional. Adjective is a function. Structural subject plus verb, subject, verb, object, subject, verb, complement. That is structure. And in dual direct, what is means of dual directed? Dual directed you read a question dual directed, but you don't know meaning about dual directed. Dual directed का meaning आपको मालूम? Dual directed means change the structure of sentence but does not change the meaning. Dual directed का meaning है change the structure of
sentence.
but does not change the
Meaning of this
that is include degree, change the voice, affirmative, negative, anything. Not change the meaning. Sentence का meaning नहीं change होगा. For example, अभी affirmative, negative ये sentence है. We will be discussing detail about that topic. Affirmative, negative. Affirmative. It is good. What is affirmative? What is negative? What is affirmative? What is negative? Affirmative is the and negative is the negative sentence. If not, never, nobody, nothing, that word included in the sentence means those sentence is a negative. Otherwise,
positive.
there is a difference affirmative and positive. देखो बहुत से मिस्टेक में जितने भी फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड से 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक मैं पढ़ाता हूँ तो बच्चों लोगों के हर जगह से कुछ कंसेप्ट है बात से इधर उधर से सीख के आते हो कंसेप्ट थोड़ा मीनिंग राइटिंग स्किल में देयर इज अ डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव एंड अफर्मेटिव पॉजिटिव नॉट अफर्मेटिव फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज गुड अभी मैंने इट इज good. This sentence given. It is good. What kind of this? Affirmative or negative? तो आपने बताया डेफिनेशन कि affirmative means positive. Affirmative is not a positive. Affirmative means affirmative. Negative means not, never, nobody, nothing. Include in the sentence. This sentence is a affirmative. इट मेक निगेटिव निगेटिव का मैंने बताया नॉट नेवर नोबडी नथिंग अगर वर्ड सेंटेंस में है तो वो क्या है नेगेटिव हाँ सो चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इन नेगेटिव
It is not good. It is not good.
इट इज नॉट चेंज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेंटेंस
It is not good.
नॉट बैड change the structure of the sentence but does not change meaning. It is not good means it is not bad. Structure change हुआ meaning change हुआ नहीं ध्यान में लो. But when we write it is not good.
It is bad.
It is not good. This is negative and this is a negative and positive. ये निगेटिव पॉजिटिव है अफर्मेटिव ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड मीनिंग ये दिस बोथ सेंटेंस दैट इज नेगेटिव एंड अफर्मेटिव एंड दैट इज पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डुअल डायरेक्टर. देखो आप डुअल डायरेक्टर बहुत से क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करते हैं मगर मैंने पहले कहा फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड मीनिंग ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन एंड टॉपिक. व्हाट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर में क्या पूछा है वो आपको लिखना है आंसर में. खाली व्हाइट का ब्लैक नहीं करना है ये ध्यान में रखो. बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं व्हाइट का ब्लैक करते हैं. व्हाइट का ब्लैक मतलब लिखते हैं हाउ मच राइट नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कितना लिखा हो जरूरी नहीं. तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज आस्क्ड. मैंने इसके लिए पहले आपको ये भी बताया वर्ड चेन बताया वर्ड रजिस्टर बताया. मीनिंग समझो पहले क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है क्या लिखना है. देयर इज नीड ऑफ ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स. देखो हर क्वेश्चन पेपर में हर सब्जेक्ट में 2 पॉइंट 3 पॉइंट और पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस क्या होती है नेसेसरी. राइट दैट वही सेंटेंस लिखो फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे. हम क्या करते हैं इतना बड़ा भाषण लिख के पढ़ते एग्जामिनर भाषण पढ़ता ये ध्यान में रूल्स पे बैठ गए. सो हियर दैट इज सो नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डिग्री. नाउ फर्स्ट वी कंप्लीट द टॉपिक डिग्री. सबसे पहले भी अपन डिग्री का टॉपिक कंप्लीट करते. आफ्टर वी विल कंप्लीट चेंज द वाइज आफ्टर माइनर टॉपिक्स. सबसे पहले तो टेंस बताना चाहिए था बट व्हेन वी लर्न अबाउट द चेंज द वॉइस दैट टाइम द टेंस मे बी कंप्लीट. सो हियर because each and every topic of grammar including each other. हर ग्रामर का टॉपिक से चेंज डिग्री इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव? एडजेक्टिव अ वर्ड एड समथिंग अबाउट द नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन. व्हाट इज नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन? नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. हाँ देखो, नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन सब्जेक्ट का भी काम करता है, ऑब्जेक्ट का भी काम करता है. ध्यान रखो. तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आपको क्या है? इन सेंटेंस इज वर्ड which were doing what kinds of function. According to those functions, those divided into part of और word है sentence में, और word है sentence में. उसके फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we saw so many people in our surrounding. हम हमारे आजू बाजू में बहुत से लोग हैं, देखते कि नहीं? All people have 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 2 hands, है कि नहीं? समझ लो. If we cut any part of their body, there are flow of blood. These blood are people who eat a spices, their blood is red. बराबर? A people who eat a vegetable, their blood is green. A people who drink lot of milk, their blood is white. है क्या? है क्या? है? नहीं. Blood is red. Any kind, all person is equal in our surrounding, in the world, in universe. But why those people divided into different castes? जब सभी ब्लड से लेकर, तो why those people divided into different castes? वो लोग डिफरेंट कास्ट में क्यों डिवाइड हुए? अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फंक्शन. अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फंक्शन इन द सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी में उनका जो फंक्शन है, काम है, वर्क है. अ पर्सन वर्क इन फॉर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड फार्मर. शूमेकर्स, देखो अलग अलग टीवी है, वहां पे अ पर्सन किराना शॉप, उनसे वाणी. ये जो जात है, ये किसके ऊपर से पड़ी है? अकॉर्डिंग. सेम दिस सिचुएशन इन लैंग्वेज. वही सिचुएशन लैंग्वेज के अंदर है. इन द सेंटेंस वर्ड हैज अ डिफरेंट फंक्शन एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फंक्शन वर डिवाइडेड इनटू पार्ट ऑफ थिंग. देखो, यू रीड सो मेनी बुक, बहुत से बुक पढ़ते आप लोग. इपिक, बड़े बड़े ग्रंथ पढ़ते कि नहीं? देयर ओनली A to Z. A to Z अल्फाबेटिक के बाद कुछ है, जैसा सबका ब्लड रेड है. A to Z के बाद कुछ है. वर्ड मेड फ्रॉम द लेटर. द कलेक्शन ऑफ द लेटर इज कॉल्ड वर्ड्स. जो शब्द बना हुआ है वो किससे बना हुआ है? किससे बना हुआ है? एंड दोज वर्ड हैज अ डिफरेंट फंक्शन इन द सेंटेंस. Some word in function of noun, some pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, article, preposition, interjection, and that is going to be वाक्य और determined. It's very deep, बहुत deep बात है. अगर आपको अभी एग्जाम के लिए क्या जरूरी है, ये बताना चाहिए. तो डिग्री इज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर वी टेक big. This is big. What is big? Big is your adjective. Big, small, that is adjective. When there is a adjective comparison as equal. देखो, पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा हूँ, बाद में 3 रूल बताऊंगा. वो दिमाग में बैठ के बुक पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं. कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन पेपर लाओ, कौन सा भी लाओ, उसमें से कौन सा भी क्वेश्चन आप लोग क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे. ध्यान में रखो. पहले इंट्रोडक्शन, पहचान होगी तो भी रूल फॉलो होगी, पहचानी नहीं तो रूल फॉलो होगी क्या? जी. वेन कंपैरिजन एज इक्वल, जब हम इसमें कंपैरिजन इक्वल करते हैं, दैट टाइम वी यूज एज. जब इसमें कंपैरिजन इक्वल करेंगे तो सम 2 person and 2 things, between 2 When we comparison as a equal, जब हम comparison क्या करेंगे? That time use the as and that is called a positive degree. Positive degree. That is called positive. Similarly, when we comparison more and less, when is comparison more and
Yes.
थोड़ा सा बदल कंपैरिजन करते समय some is a more and some is a
Yes.
that time we use a er suffix. Er suffix and then er suffix to the, देखो जब हम कंपैरिजन करते थोड़ा मोर एंड लेस, बिगर er suffix and that is called a comparative. And where is comparison is the highest, जब हम कंपैरिजन हाईएस्ट एंड that time we use of a est suffix, est suffix to the adjective, there er suffix to the adjective. इसे कंपैरिजन करते हैं and there we use the est suffix, that is called superlative. That is called superlative. इसे क्या कहते हैं? सुपरलेटिव. अरे सबसे पहली बात इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द, उनकी पहचान होना जरूरी. ये पॉजिटिव है, ये कंपैरेटिव है. सिमिलरली देयर सम डिफरेंस. Sometimes we does not suffix er and est to some words when comparison of adjective. एडजेक्टिव का जब हम कंपैरिजन करते तभी हम उसको er सफिक्स नहीं, दैट टाइम वी यूज अ मोर इन अ कंपैरिजन. फॉर एग्जांपल ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल का ब्यूटीफुलर होगा क्या? वी डू नॉट मोर ब्यूटीफुल, more beautiful for the comparison. Comparison के लिए इसे क्या बोलेंगे? And most beautiful. Most beautiful for the superlative. That is change. Sometimes some adjective change in a three form. पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव तीनों फॉर्म में कुछ एडजेक्टिव क्या होते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल गुड, बेटर, तीनों फॉर्म चेंज हुए. गुड, बेटर, बैड, तीनों फॉर्म से. पहले उसका इंट्रोडक्शन समझना जरूरी है. बाकी दैट इज फर्स्ट, ये पहला डिग्री टू. पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव. पॉजिटिव आइडेंटिफिकेशन एज एक्स, कंपैरिजन एज इक्वल, और कंपैरेटिव er suffix that is a compulsory. That is the identification of. And similarly in superlative degree, most important thing, the article used before the. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में एडजेक्टिव के पहले द या आर्टिकल रहता है. द इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. समझ रहे हैं सबको? द या आर्टिकल रहता है. तो इस प्रकार यहाँ पे दिस इज इंफॉर्मेशन. सेकंड, दिस इज रूल नंबर फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट, रूल नंबर 2. comparison between two, दो के बीच में कंपैरिजन है. When comparison between two, then PD change into CD and CD change into PD, not change into SD. Not change into SD. This is rule number 1. देखो मैं तीन ही रूल बताऊं. When comparison between two मतलब 2 person, 2 thing, दो व्यक्ति, दो बात, 2 place. That time PD change into PD means PD means SD means not. That time PD change into CD, CD change into PD, not change into SD में change होता नहीं. For example there, Pune is as big as Kalyan. Pune is as big as Kalyan. There is a comparison between two. यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन दो में किया है. लास्ट तक only listen and grasp. Sit relax. Don't take tension. इसलिए मैंने बोलेगा passion and tension. Remove tension. With passion. और learn. पढ़ने के लिए पैसे. तो यहाँ पे Pune is as big as Kalyan. So there, how to change? There are some rules. Take a word after the H. Simple method. देखो, when you change some grammatical there, do not try understand the meaning of the sentence. Sentence का meaning समझने की कोशिश. क्या करो? Follow the rules. Rule follow. क्या follow करो? As a first important Kalyan. Similarly, after that word, देखो आज के second आज के बाद में कवर लेंगे. After that, take an auxiliary verb. उसके बाद में आपको क्या लेना है? What is auxiliary verb? Is. If there is a not in the sentence, सेंटेंस के अंदर अगर नॉट है, रिमूव इट. तो क्या कर देना है? देयर इज नॉट नहीं है. आफ्टर द ऑक्सिलरी देयर इज नॉट एज अ रिमूव करना है. एज इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव लिखी कर क्या है? आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Next, this is rule number 7. A rule, grammar sequence, 7-8 lines given. If in SD means there are EST suffix. That time in PD is no other. It means beginning. beginning, use of no other, and in CD, it means comparative, use the than. This sentence. Here you stand up. Stand up, yes. What kinds of degree? In this sentence.
Superlative.
Why?
EST.
EST. What is another identification of?
हाँ?
दूसरा identification क्या बताया मैंने?
दूसरा no other.
The article used in the and EST. It is the identification of
Superlative.
Superlative is correct. Adjective correct. Similarly, EST. So it changed into the PD. PD. Beginning of the sentence. Sentence की शुरुआत किससे करना है? No other. There is a city changed into cities. Similarly, now we have changed the subject. City change into
Cities.
It means singular change into singular. So they are change. They are change. Auxiliary. There is a R. Take that. Take a minor precaution. स्टूडेंट ऐसे छोटे छोटे मिस्टेक करते हैं, मैंने तो राइट लिखा था, मार्क्स नहीं मिला. सो हियर दिस सिटी change into city, singular change into singular, use of R. The no other cities are as big as Pune. What is difficult? So there, this question sometime given a sentence and टिक करेक्ट सेंटेंस, राइट करेक्ट सेंटेंस. कभी कभी बोर्ड के एग्जाम में आपको सेंटेंस दी जाती है और राइट सेंटेंस कौन सा उसको टिक. समटाइम चेंज सेंटेंस इनटू. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि ये सेंटेंस क्या करना है, चेंज करना. सो देयर दिस इज नाउ इट मेक इनटू सीडी. In CD when SD change into CD, that time sentence take as a usual. देखो एक डिफरेंस समझना है, यहाँ पे बिगिनिंग किससे? नो अदर. Here sentence take as a usual and use that rule. Apply that rule. Similarly there, Pune is bigger than
any other city.
any
Other city.
other city. That changes. Do you understood?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Next, rule number 3. In HD, one of the HD method क्या होगा? That time in PD use a very big degree. And CD use that. For example, same example.
One of the biggest city.
Pune is one of the biggest. What kind of degree?
HD superlative.
What kind of superlative? What? The and EST is identification of superlative. So it is changed. Sometimes student doing mistake. So there, though follow this rule, EST. But observe the sentence. When one of the come with adjective, that time follow this. Student mistake करते हैं, EST देखते हैं, and those apply second rule. Second rule apply करते हैं. But there, keep one of the. Realize this one. That time use this. So now, who said? One second. Say.
Very few cities are as big as
Sit down. Next, that is PD. Now CD. Anyone? Stand up, you. Second last day, stand up. Change this sentence in comparative degree. What I say, pay proper attention. There. Very pehले का question, not tension.
Pune is the bigger than many other cities.
Pune
Is the
is bigger.
not in the. Sit down, try this one, don't worry. Next.
Pune is bigger than many
Is
bigger
bigger
than
than
many other cities.
many
Other cities.
other
Cities.
cities. यही बोल आपको ग्रामर में कम से कम 10-15 मिनट से, इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ इंग्लिश नॉट ओरल सब्जेक्ट, इंग्लिश नॉट बाय हार्ट सब्जेक्ट, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड 100 टाइम रीडिंग एंड 1 टाइम अंडरस्टैंड. 100 टाइम रीड करने से कोई भी टॉपिक एक बार समझ लेना जरूरी. विधायक में लोग we will discuss about any topic or topic that type. Technique we will be called. 5 major grammatical sentence, degree, gender wise, affirmative, negative, direct and kinds of sentence and type of sentence. What is different type of sentence and any we will be discussing. Your permanently problem will be solved about that topic. After we will be discuss about passage, how to solve, how to search answer in passage. And third our topic is about writing side.
Sir, can we write the positive degree as no other city is big as Pune?
No other cities.
So why do we write the cities?
City, if there is a comparison, what and both. When comparison between only two, that time PD change into CD, CD change into PD. जब दो में comparison होता है, तभी superlative में change. And when comparison between more than two, so their comparison is more than two cities, so that there is a change. City means so many cities, not only one city in India. So many cities. There is a so many cities, and all those cities Pune is, and so they have become a plural, singular change into plural. That is rule. When comparison between two, only two, that time PD change into CD, CD change into PD, not change into SD. That is any sentence of the SD. There is a comparison more than two.
Sir, I have also one question, sir. Sir, we can't change the positive degree into the comparative degree, sorry, superlative degree. We can't change the positive degree into superlative degree.
Positive degree.
Into superlative degree. We can change it or not?
When comparison between two, जब दो में compare, that time we can change only for that is rule. That comparison. Positive means comparison as equal. Comparative means more and less. And superlative means there is a greatest and less. So we don't change.
As you write, sir, when comparison between two, then PD. Right, sir, as you write the formula.
PD and CD.
PD and CD.
CD.
We can change the PD into CD.
CD.
And CD into PD.
PD.
But we can't change the CD into SD.
CD into
SD. We can't change it.
No, I can't change. Get comparison depending. Comparison. How much comparison? When comparison only two. That time we can't change SD into CD. Can't change into SD. PD when comparison two.
But sir, as per the rule of the grammar, there are three rules, sir. First, second, and third.
That is for solve your, that rule for the solve your example. Sufficient. Any kinds of example.
But sir, in the grammar book, there is only two questions asked for this comparison.
Yeah, that only two questions asked. Sometimes.
Positive and
But
superlative.
sometimes may be asked. Sometimes may be asked in the first. When comparison between two, that time those say change the degree. There are asked a question, change the positive degree, change the comparative degree, change the superlative degree. Not say change the degree. Sometimes ask a question, the following sentence change it to PD and CD. That time apply only two rules. That time apply, and that type of sentence question given. That type of question given when those say SD changing to PD and CD. So that those two rules is a mostly problem. But for sometimes confusion, listen. Sometimes confusion for student use that type of rule number first. There are given sentence answer, take a proper answer. Given sentence answer is given already, and that there apply a first rule. And student follow third and second rule, and so they will lose their marks. Next, now we discuss about language study remaining. A major topic I say degree, change the wise, direct and indirect, kinds of sentence, type of sentence, that type. So there, now we discuss about some minor topic. About what? Word registers, sentence, kinds of sentence. Similarly, we will be discuss about the method how to change the voice. If we discuss about the change the voice, it may be a correlation. Both topics are major, and you will be change those topics each other. So now we discuss about some minor topics. First, today we discuss only about the grammar language. After we will be discuss about passage, how to solve, how to acquire out of marks in any question. And after we will be discuss about the writing.